Toscana Valley Khao Yai, Real Estate Tour, Villas, Condos, and Investment Overview. Hi, I'm Millie, founder of ThaiLink.cc, where we help with visas, business consulting, and investments in Thailand. Today, I'm taking you inside Toscana Valley, not as a hotel guest this time, but as someone looking at real estate. This place isn't just a resort. People actually buy and live here. There are 3 projects to know about. Toscana Pool Villa, private villas with your own pool starting from 36 million baht. Land plots from 150 to 310 wa, house size up to 474 square meters. These are serious homes. Toscana Vista, condos right by the water. Studios from 6.9 million baht, 1 and 2 bedroom units up to 21 million. Price per square meter around 200,000 baht. Installment plan available, up to 25 payments. And Castello Della, the most premium option, from 10 million up to 45 plus. Fair warning, almost everything there is already sold. All 3 projects offer around 3% return per year through leaseback, plus 12 nights of personal use annually. Not bad if you're looking for a holiday home that pays for itself. If you want the full numbers, payment schedules, maintenance costs, ROI breakdown, it's all on our website. Link below. We also help with the purchase process directly.